वेलकम टू आवर चैनल बी ऑलवेज लर्नर। इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 8.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 कवर करेंगे। आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा, आप लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। क्वेश्चन में हमें शो करना है दैट इफ द डायगोनल ऑफ द quadrilateral bisect each other at right angle then it is a rhombus। तो ये हमें प्रूव करना है यहाँ पर। तो सॉल्यूशन के लिए सबसे पहले हम एक quadrilateral बनाएंगे। So the quadrilateral is of type approximately. We are going to make it right. So suppose this is a quadrilateral and the diagonals are like this, right? So we can label it. So this is nothing but O. This is A side. This is B. This is C, and this is D. So we are having these four sides. Now सबसे पहले हमें इसे प्रूव करने के लिए हमें प्रूव करना पड़ेगा कि ये एक पैरेललोग्राम है। पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव करने के बाद देन वी कैन गो फॉर द रॉम्बस। तो अब फर्स्ट स्टेप जो हमने पैरेललोग्राम डिसाइड किया है उसके लिए हमें चाहिए कि दिस ए डी इज पैरेलल टू दिस बी सी एंड दिस ए बी इज पैरेलल टू दिस सी डी। तो सबसे पहले हमें ये पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव करना है। तो द प्रूफ ऑफ दिस इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द गिवन क्वांटिटी दैट a parallelogram. What is the parallelogram? A, B, C, D. The parallelogram A, B, C, D in which the diagonal AC is a diagonal and BD is a diagonal, right? These two are the diagonals. Intersect at midpoint O such that because स्टेटमेंट में वर्ड यूज किया हुआ बाइसेक्ट, तो हम यह लिख सकते हैं सच दैट AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD and also perpendicular भी लिखा हुआ है right angle, so we can write the AC is going to make right angle on BD. That is a given quantity. तो हमने इसको ऐसे लिस्ट कर लिया। सबसे पहले हमें पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव करना है, देन हम रोम्बस प्रूव करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट we shall prove that ABCD is a parallelogram। तो हमें ये प्रूव करना है। So for that we are going to assume here the two triangle AO and D. This is the one triangle we are considering here. Another triangle is CO and B. These two triangles we are assuming. So one with the red and another is the green. So these are the two triangles we are assuming. So we can write it in the triangle AOD and in the triangle COB. Can we relate the AO is equal to OC, which is the diagonal, and it is given also these two are equal. Another side, that is OD, is equal to OB. So both diagonal relations are given. Now this AOD, this angle, and COB, this angle, both are vertically opposite. So we can write vertically opposite angles are equal. Then angle AOD, that is equal to angle COB. We can write this is vertically opposite angles, right? So this will give us SAS criteria, side angle side. So by side angle side criterion of congruence, right? What we get, both the triangles, triangle AOD is equivalent to the triangle COB. So both are equivalent. If both are equivalent, then their parts are also equivalent. So angle at O, that angle is angle OAD. This angle, right? I can make it double, is equivalent to C angle at C. So OCB. So this angle, I can make it double also. So this angle is equal to this angle. So we can write angle OAB, D, is equal to angle OCB. That is through the congruent triangles, right? Because we proved the SAS criteria, though parts of the congruent triangles are equal. Now, the line AC, this line AC intersects this at A and intersect this at C. So we are writing it angle AC, sorry, line AC intersects AD and BC at A and at C respectively. So we can write the angle from the equation 1. We can write the angle OAD is equivalent to or equal to angle OCB from equation 1. We can also give the reason that alternate interior angles are equal. We can also give that reason. So the AD is parallel to BC. The AD is parallel to BC, and similarly we can also say the AB side is parallel with CD side. If they are parallel, then we can say hence the ABCD is a parallelogram. So we are able to prove that this is a parallelogram. Fine. So now we shall prove that the parallelogram is a rhombus. So next step we are going to follow that we shall prove that the parallelogram ABCD is a rhombus. So again we are going to consider the two triangles. One is the triangle AOD, the yellow triangle AOD, right? And another triangle we are going to consider here COD. So now we are considering these two sides because हमें equal prove करना है sides को. So we are considering these two triangles, the yellow one and the blue one. We can also write in the triangle AOD and the triangle COD, right? So what is given? The diagonals are equal. Simple. We can write AO is equal to AC. तो diagonal equal हो गए यहाँ पर. उसके बाद angle AOD is a right angle and COD is also a right angle because it is given. So we can say both are right angle. Both are right angles. And OD is equal to OD because it is a common side. Right? So this is a common side for both one. Now again we are going to apply here by SS criteria, criterion of congruence. Both the triangles we considered AOD is equivalent to दूसरी triangle हमने consider की है that is CO. So both the triangles are equivalent और अगर triangles equivalent हैं तो their side the AD is equal to CD और rhombus prove करने के लिए हमें side की equivalency prove करनी है कि sides equal हैं. So this is because the congruent, right? So this is because of that. Now from the same parallelogram, right? Because हमने इसको prove कर लिया because ये parallelogram है. So from the same parallelogram we can write the AB side is equal to CD side and the AD side is equal to BC side. Why we can directly write it? Because from the property of parallelogram, the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, right? And because we are having another representation at form 2, because इसमें ये कहता है कि this AD is equal to this CD, right? So these two are equal, so we can write from equation 2 the AB is equal to CD is equal to AD and this equal to BC. So that is from second equation we can write it. If both are equal, so we can write hence the quadrilateral quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. So this is we want to prove. So we can write hence prove. This is the solution for this question. Hope you like the solution. So please subscribe the channel.